Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's PaigeShaian. If you're new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support and continue to take this journey with me. This is a learning channel. This is a see my styles channel, support channel, everything above, okay? So I am doing a traditional sewing today on my client. She got the hair package and traditional sewing deal when she booked. So I always complete a shampoo, condition, and a blow dry for all of my clients. It doesn't matter what service you're getting shampooed in the salon. One, I can ensure that your hair is clean, and then two, as a licensed cosmetologist, we shampoo in the salon. So I did skip over quite a few parts as far as her shampoo and her conditioning, but I just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what that looked like for her hair specifically. Before I took her down, though, we did do a rinse, a color on her leave out because she wanted to blend with the bundles more. So she did get a middle part, so I parted that off and colored her with black, and then let her process for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and then we shampooed and started the process. This is, it's a pretty straightforward video. I just wanted to come on here and show off our new raw bundle collection, which I've been using for quite a while, especially with the tape-ins. But I just wanted to show it on here too. So if you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Again, we're doing a middle part sewing. I start off with doing her leave out. So right now, I'm finding where I want her leave out to be, how much we're going to do. Braid that off, and then I do her full foundation. You'll also see in this video I'll add the net, which I normally don't show too much, but I do add the net. And I also show a close-up of sewing and then sewing the last, very last weft next to the leave out. So definitely stick around for that. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate all of the support and the continued support for our growing channel here. Follow us on Instagram at Level 27 Hair Studio. You can follow our hair collection as well, which is at Level 27 Luxury Collection on Instagram as well. And then my personal Instagram is PaigeShaian. We are also now on TikTok, so follow us at Level 27 Hair Studio too.